And feel free to add some other things to your page. So again, I'm going to go to the plus sign to add some more media. I'm going to add this speech bubble. And maybe I'll just say hi in that. And maybe smile. Alright, I'm going to tap on the down arrow in the bottom right corner of my keyboard to get my keyboard out of the way. And then I'm going to drag this talk bubble over here to the right side. I'm going to use those blue handles to resize it a little bit. And I'm going to grab that little green end of the talk bubble, and I'm trying to reposition that beside my little doggy's mouth. There we go. Okay, and maybe I'm going to tap on that plus sign in the top menu bar one more time, the add text button, and I'm going to choose that red title text, and I'm just going to say things I like, because again I'm making it an all about me book. And then I'll tap done to add that to the page. I'm going to grab those blue handles to stretch that out, and then I'm going to drag it around on the page to maybe go up here at the top. That's kind of hard to see there on top of those photos, so I'm going to tap on the plus sign. I'm going to go over to the Shapes tab, and I'm going to add this kind of rounded corner rectangle to the page. And I'm going to drag that up close to where that title is and try to make it big enough to cover that. Maybe a little narrower. I don't really like orange with these colors on the page, so I'm going to tap on the inspector button. And I'm going to change that color by tapping on that inkwell, and I'm going to choose something that maybe goes a little bit better with the page, maybe something like that. And then again, I'll either tap the back button or tap anywhere on the page to close that up. The problem now is it's over top of my text. So again, while it's selected, I'm going to tap on the inspector button, and I'm going to move this from the front to the back by tapping on the little buttons there. But now it's behind my panels, which is kind of a problem as well. So I'm going to move it back to the front. And then I'm going to move it down on the page, so I'll just tap anywhere to close that menu. I'm going to move it down a little bit, and I'm going to select the text, tap on the inspector button, and move that to be in the front. And now I can drag that on top of the shape, or drag the shape up behind it so that I can read that text. Alright, that looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and tap on the right arrow at the right edge of the page when you're finished adding whatever it is that you want to add to your page.